Ready, member? Let's go for it. Hand stretch done. So, you ready? Now, I'm not rewriting again. So, if you're rewriting, you'll be going quick, done. So let me try to be quicker a little bit. What do I know? My complex ones are going to be what? I'm going to be the 9 to the 2a, and then I'm going to have a what? I'm going to have a 6 to the 2a. All right. Then what I'm going to do here, so it means I'm going to say I have a 3 squared, so it will be a 3 to the 4a, isn't it? Okay, so done. Then I have a 6 to the, what did I do here? 6 to the 2a on top. Member, right? So I'll have a 3 to the 2a. You see, I'm putting it next to that 3. Then I have a 6 by 3 by 2 to give me a 6. So it means I'll have a 2 to the 2a. Okay. Right. Then I'm sorted with the first set of vectors. So I'm done with my alpha exponents. So now I'm going to my numbers. So I have a what? I have a 9 to the 1. So I already have a 3 squared. Then I'll have a 2 by 3, isn't it? So I'll have a 2 by 3. I'm going to take the 3 and put it there. Then I have a 2 by 3. So I'll have a 2 to the negative 3. Okay, sorted there on top. Then I go to the bottom and I say, all right, I'm going to take my 3 to the 5a. Okay, I'm not writing it here now because it's already given to me in the prime basis. So I'm going to take my 3 to the 5a. Then I'm going to take my what? I'm going to take my 3 to the a because I started with a 3. If I started with a 2 and an alpha on top, I would have followed by another base 2. Now I have a 2 to the 2a. You see, when you get used to it, you no longer even need to do this. So I didn't even do the 4 to the a and then the 4 to the negative 2 because I'm getting in the groove. So now I have all my alphas, which are 3, isn't it? Now I go to my numbers. So when I go to my numbers, start from left to right. Am I starting with 2's? Yes, I'm going to start with 2's. So I'm going to take the 2 as it is, and then I'll take the 2 to the negative 2. Then I'm going to take a what? I'm going to take this 4 to the negative 2. Then what will I have now? I'll have a 2 to the negative 4, isn't it? Am I right, member? Yeah, I think I'm right. Then do I have 3's? Yes, I have 3's. Then I'll have a 3 to the negative 2. You see, member? Then I don't do the train. Did you remember the name of the train? Is it a Shosholoza mail? Yeah, it's Shosholoza mail. 3 to the 6a. If you want to, you can do that. But otherwise, you can simply go, I have a 6 there on top. I have a 6 there. Sorted. I wouldn't even write this. Okay. I'm just writing it for you. But be careful. Check in the exams what is happening. How many marks they give you. Okay. In a test, maybe they'll give you more marks. In an exam, not so many more. So here I'll have a 3 to the negative 1. And then I'll have a 2 to the negative 3. So my top is simplified, isn't it? Only have 1 there, 1. Made them 1, 1. Sorted on top. Go to the numerator. All my 3's next to each other. You see what I told you? That as you simplify, you can even see what is happening there. So, it means I did something. You see, when I do this, it even helps me because as I was going to write this, I'm asking myself, why is this one a 2a? But the one here on top is not a 2a. You see, remember, giving you nice things. Then what will I have? I will have a -4. Two negative 4s. So it means I'll have a 2 to the -7. Remember, I'm not sure if I'm right here. Okay, but I think I'm right. I have a 2 to the 1, which is there. Then I have a I caught myself. Right. I caught myself. You see, I'm even able to recover because I can see that something is not kosher. Right. So let me do this, member. Let me finish with my 3. 3 to the -2 is this one. Now, I need to find out, why do I have such a big negative? What did I do? This 2 to the 1 was on its own, isn't it? Now, this -2, this -2 here, just be careful, please, member, in an exam. You see, sometimes it helps when you do this. 3 to the 5a minus 2 will give me 3 to the 5a times 3 to the -2. So this -2 here does not apply to this 2 here. It doesn't apply to this 2. So the examiner would have been laughing. Yeah, I got this one. So it means this 2 to the -2 is not supposed to be there. Then it means I will have a 2 and a -4, isn't it? So now I'm going to have a -3. You see how you recover, member. Welcome to my club. Welcome to my world. So now I have a 2 to the -3. Now it makes sense because these ones even out. These ones even out. Then I'm left with what now? I'm left with this 3 to the -1. I can make it a positive immediately, but I want to show you. So this one and this one evens out, isn't it? They cancel. Then I'm left with this one. 3 to the -2. So what will I have now? I will have a 2 on top, and then I'll be left with 3. Member is saying, I say, how do you see that? I can see it. You are going to say 3 to -1 plus 2. Okay, me in my brain, I've already done this. I've already done the 3 squared positive in my brain, and I've already done the 3 to the -1 positive. So I just swapped. Then I know that this one will give me a 1. So I have my 3 there. You see. Right, if it wasn't for this mistake, I would have long been done. But remember, I hope you can see that this Shosholoza mail that I'm talking about, I don't apply it. Don't apply it because it makes you scratch. If you saw in your submissions, you were finished and then you scratched because you get confused. So try this, okay? Shosholoza mail. Let's do it once more. What would you have? You had a 4a, you'll have a 2a, and then you'll have a what? You'll have a 2, then you'll have a what? You'll have a -3. I remember. So you're adding variable terms with numbers in one exponent. That's why you get dizzy. Then what must you do now? You must go to the bottom, isn't it? Okay. So where am I? I'm here, isn't it? So if you didn't take this method, you were going to use your method, which is this one. You were going to say 3, 4a, 2a, 2, -3. Then you go down. You see now, the alphabets, these alphabets are on that side now, 5a. And what did I do? I put a positive, and it's not supposed to be a positive because it's supposed to be a negative. It's at the bottom, this 5a. Then you must take that negative 1, which is what? Negative 1a. Is there another 3? Yes, there is. That one. So you would go now plus 2. You see where the mess can occur. It can occur in all of these. You can do this in your brain now. 6a, negative 6a. Another person will say, hey, me, I don't want to make mistakes. I'm going to do the 6a there. And then I'm going to take this negative 6. You see, I'm already writing a positive. Negative 6. Remember, I'm not doing it all over and over. Okay. Yeah, I think you are with me. I hope you are. You'll tell me if you're sticking to your story. Yeah, but if your friends see, they can debate with you. Yeah, I think I'm happy. We can go to the last one now.